Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavraj, welcome you all for the lecture on managerial economics. Today, this is video number 3 for module number 1. In previous class, we have seen meaning, definition, and decision making process of managerial economics. Also, we just had a glimpse about the characteristics about managerial economics. Today, we will discuss in detail the characteristics of managerial economics. The first characteristic of managerial economics is microeconomic character. Now, managerial economics is microeconomic in character. There are two aspects of managerial economics. One is microeconomics and another is macroeconomics. Here microeconomics means small part of the economy and macro means the large part of the economy. For example, if we want to see, micro is related to one industry, whereas macro deals with the whole economy as a whole. Economy as a whole it deals. Therefore, here managerial economics deals with the industry, microeconomic in nature, which helps in taking the managerial decisions, solve the pricing problems, etc. of an individual industry. Therefore, managerial economics is microeconomic in nature. Microeconomics helps for each and every individual industry to take various decisions like pricing strategy, production planning, etc. So here managerial economics is microeconomic in character. After that we have choice and allocation. Now every organization tries to choose those resources which would help them in achieving the organizational goals, and these resources, they have been allocated in such a way that the wastage of these resources or overburden of resources should not happen. With that intention, managerial economics helps us in choosing those resources or the resources which are necessity along with the qualities required as per the standards set by that organization, and these resources will be allocated as per the need. So here managerial economics is choice and allocation is one of the characteristic of managerial economics. After that, it is goal oriented. Managerial economics is goal oriented. There are certain set of goals of each and every organization. The whole organization is struggling or striving to achieve those goals or those standards which have been set by them. Here the managerial economics helps in achieving those goals. How it helps in achieving those goals? Number one, analyzing the demand, forecasting the demand. Based upon that analyzed or forecasted demand, the production of that organization will be planned, and that production will help to meet the required demand in the market. Along with that, law of supply, diminishing marginal utility law, all such laws helps the organization to plan their production, to plan their marketing, etc. So therefore these all aspects helps the organization to achieve their goals. Therefore managerial economics is goal oriented. It helps in achieving the organizational goals which have been set by the organization, and all the concepts, theories and calculations, forecasts made by managerial economics helps to achieve these goals. After that, the fourth characteristic of managerial economics is conceptual and materialistic, sorry, conceptual and matrical. Here, the managerial economics has certain sets of concepts, certain sets of laws, certain sets of theories which help the managerial economist or managerial economics or the organization to solve the day to day problems in the organization, because these concepts, these theories, these matricals or these calculations help the organization in forecasting the future supply, required supply, or future demand, or the production planning. So in all these sense, managerial economics helps in achieving the required or in solving the problems faced by these organizations. Therefore, managerial economics is conceptual and matrical. After that, pragmatic. Now, the concept of managerial economics, the next characteristic of managerial economics is pragmatic. Pragmatic means dealing with the things sensibly with practical solutions or with the practical aspects rather than theoretical aspects. Now, here managerial economics helps the organization in solving the day-to-day problems, in forecasting the demand, in planning the supply, planning the production, along with that solving all the managerial problems what an organization faces with a pragmatic way, means with a practical view, with a practical aspects, and with practical solutions which will work out in solving the day to day problems. So here managerial economics is pragmatic in nature. After that, next characteristic of managerial economics is normative. So here normative means, in simple Marathi they call it as namuna घालून देणे, or setting certain set of norms or setting certain set of pre-decided or certain set of standards which have been or which will help us in solving the problems faced by the organization or helps in planning the things in organization. So here managerial economics is a normative in nature. After that, the next characteristic of managerial economics is multidisciplinary. Now managerial economics is multidisciplinary because it uses statistics in its calculation, in its demand forecasting, in its supply calculation. It uses mathematics in calculations. It uses accountancy in recording the things. It uses environment science. It uses psychology, wherein the law of diminishing marginal utility and all. So, which states that managerial economics is multidisciplinary. It is not related to one discipline, it is multidisciplinary, and this multidisciplinary characteristic of managerial economics helps the managerial economist to solve the managerial problems faced by the organization in day-to-day operation. So therefore, managerial economics is multidisciplinary. Apart from this, there are n number of characteristics of managerial economics like risk taker or risk guider, or it is say practical oriented. Managerial economics helps in demand forecasting. Managerial economics helps in say studying utility. Managerial economics is related to supply, related to demand. So likewise there are many characteristics of managerial economics, but with exam viewpoint, we will be seeing only these things. A 5 marks question may be there for your examination saying explain the characteristics of managerial economics. So at that point of time, these points if you'll write and explain, you will get 5 marks. So in this class, we shall stop here only. If you have any doubts, any queries related to the subject, you all can ask me at any point of time, you all can contact me. So thank you, good day.